it went back to the store. Okay? It went back to the store. If not the same day, the next day. Okay?
I'ma call you my shawty, shawty. You gon' make me lay.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, A Chanel, aka AC, aka Chanel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the A gang. Welcome to the Hunni Bun gang, where everything all sweet over here. Alright, y'all. I'm coming to y'all with another video. This video gonna be a little different. I did a video some sort of like this. I want to say 2 years ago. So this video is gonna be on opening up the Bower 2-pack 2-pack creator light kit. It says 46 inches extendable tripod plus wired remote. So this is what the box looks like. And y'all, I purchased this from my local Walmart. It was $39.99, so $40 and some change. Okay, so it says adjustable angles, 21 inches to 46 inches, includes white light modes, RGB color, let's see, foldable tripods. The USB is USB powered, adjustable brightness, multi-purpose use. And this is just the back of it. Alright, y'all. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. Because I know the last time I did this review on the actual Bower ring light, it went back to the store. Okay? It went back to the store. If not the same day, the next day. Okay? I know my lighting be a little off sometimes when I'm filming. And I just want to see if these are going to work. If it's going to, you know, help improve. If it's going to help improve the video quality. We're going to open this big box first. And y'all, I'm coming to y'all barefaced because I want this to be real raw and uncut. And I just want to see what the light is going to do. Okay, so this box is the light box. So let's open. I'm assuming these are the stands. So I'm going to open the stands first. Okay. So this is the size of it when I take it out. Real short. And yeah. Hope these legs be worth something. If y'all have this lighting kit, comment down below. Comment down below and let me know if you like it, okay? Let me know if it works for you. Some of y'all may not really even care. Like, long as you... Some of y'all may just be using y'all ring light and that's it. All right, so this is the full length of it. You can see this whole thing in the camera. I'm gonna see if it can go up some more. I don't think it can. I don't want to break anything, because I did not, nope, it won't go up anymore. I did not pay for the extended warranty for $7. I would have, but with it being this brand, I said nah, we're not gonna. Okay, see now, it don't even wanna It's outside on the floor, y'all. Like, do I judge it now or do I wait? I don't know. I think I got it. So, I'll hook this up to the top. Just sit it on the top of the stand and then twist the back for security purposes. And this is the remote that comes with it. Has the up button, down button, on and off, the red, green, blue, and it says M mode down here. So yeah, and it has this end to it. Okay, I'll do that part after I'm done with putting the other one together. Y'all, sometimes I feel like most of this stuff don't be really worth $40. I mean, $40 isn't bad, but it's like, come on now. For this type of quality, it should be $20, $25. But I don't want to, I really just can't say that. I can't judge it already. And I ain't even turned the doggone lights on. I guess I'm still traumatized from my ring light that I bought some years ago. So, I'll talk about the ring light. Y'all, that ring light was horrible. Y'all see that? I'm trying to get it to stand up. And it's falling over.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do.
It does not come with a block. It does not come with a block. So either I'm going to have to use the outlet that comes with the USB thingy where I can just stick it off in there. And turn this one on. I feel like they should have had a handheld remote for the both of them. So I am going to, don't you fall. Don't you dare fall. I gotta adjust these legs again, y'all. All right. Yeah. Block like this. We're gonna do one from this angle. Oh, ooh, That's just one, y'all. This is just one. So the M mode, I'm assuming, is the white. That's the red, green, blue, purple. Okay. I'm gonna turn it off. Whew. That one, y'all, just blinded the hell out of me. So we finna see what this one be like. I'm gonna turn this one this way. All right, y'all ready? Turn it on. Y'all see that? I know on the camera, you probably can't tell how bright this is. But this is bright. This is bright, y'all. Now I want to let y'all see the colors. Red. Bring this one back over here. You see the different colors? Whew. Yeah, I had just got done eating. Please don't mind my stomach. Please don't mind my stomach. Y'all see that? And then we're going to go to the white mode on each one. And as you can see, this is a more whiter tone. This is a more warmer tone. So I'm going to change it. And see, now they're both the same. Then you can take it up. You know what? Let me turn the lights out. That'll be smart. 1 second. Okay, the lights are out. And the lights are out, y'all. And these lights are still giving. Oh, they look so much better. I almost want to start this video back over. Doggone stomach looking like that. Anywho, the lighting is so much better with the lights off. And so I'm going to take them both up, down. I'm going to turn them off. I turned that one off. Now I'm going to turn this one back up. And y'all see how it's still, like you can still see me in a good lighting. See the difference? You can still see me in a better lighting. Look at the rainbow colors. It's so cute. That is dope, y'all. It's really dope. So, pros and cons with these lights. I really can't just give you a pro Okay, anyway, I really just can't give you a pro right off back because I haven't really even just filmed another video to the point where I actually would like my lighting for me to say, okay, you know what, these lights are good. But what I can say is they're good enough for this particular video right here for y'all to see how they work. I mean, if you feel like they're good enough, depending on going off the lighting that, you know, from this video, then comment down below and let me know, like, girl, you tripping. Them some good lights, because it changed when your lights was on versus when your lights are off. I may be tripping, so let me know, okay? So, the cons, I would say, would be the legs of the lights, but that's probably just me. I probably just had a slow moment and didn't do everything, didn't pull it out, stretch it out correctly, because now they're standing with no problem, y'all, with no problem. Like, ain't neither one of them falling. They're not falling at all. So, change it to the warmer setting, y'all. I mean, so far so good, I would say. So I guess I really just don't have I don't know, I guess I really just don't have a pro and a con right now, but you know, it is what it is. I like the lights so far. I think you would like them too. This is the Bauer version again. Now if you're just sitting up here shooting like music videos and stuff like that, then I don't know, maybe this may not be for you. Maybe you need the newer version, or the sun packed, or whatever type of high-end lighting that would be best for that particular field of work. I know some people still use those brands for YouTube videos as well, but listen, we balling on a budget, okay? We gonna make it shake with these. So by the time I do my next video, both of these lights will be in my video. It will be in my video. Now I'm gonna mail my light bill to one of my subscribers. I feel like one of y'all would help me pay my light bill, because you know I'm putting out this content for y'all, and I gotta plug up all this. I gotta plug up all this just to get y'all some good looking videos, okay? And y'all, don't forget, when you watch YouTube videos, not just mine, but when you watch YouTube videos, make sure you go into your settings and put it on advanced video quality. Because if you watch it in the 360, if you watch it in the 720, it's probably not gonna show its best. It's probably not. So make sure you put it on 1080 or 4K. I normally shoot my videos in 4K. So if you go to settings on your YouTube and change it to 4K, then the video quality will show better for any video that you're looking at if it's shot in 4K. But yeah, y'all, comment down below if you haven't already. Like, comment, subscribe, join the gang, y'all. Join the A gang, join the Hunni Bun gang. When you join the gang, go in the comment section and drop the emojis, okay? Drop the official A gang, Hunni Bun gang emojis, okay? Again, y'all, 1 out of 10 with these lights. I would give these lights an 8. For me, as of right now, I give them an 8, y'all. And I would say you really can't beat it for $40. You really can't, y'all. These lights are good. This is close up. I'm trying not to blind myself, but this is close up. This is showing y'all close up. And my room light is off. So yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think. Love y'all. Bye.
I'ma call you my shawty.